The flipped classroom strategy can certainly be used in events. The flipped event. The flipped classroom is having most of the lectures online, and when the students actually come into the classroom, it's hands-on workshops. It is roll up your sleeves and do stuff. So the first one is pre-event online learning. When people come to the actual in-person event, they already have that knowledge and can actually participate, engage, and contribute. So the in-person workshops facilitate those workshops, talk about how they all feel about and use those strategies in their day-to-day lives, in their businesses. Foster that collaboration, application of those concepts and that skill building. But we all know that this is not kindergarten, right? There's so much knowledge among the attendees. So having these kind of workshops will really help to harness that collective intelligence of the entire group versus just a monologue with the attendees. That is the format that we should all be focusing on, making our speakers more like facilitators to really spark that fire among the audience. And then post-event, reinforce that learning with additional resources, online forums, always on community based upon the learnings from the actual event. So yeah, reach out to me if you want to discuss this further.